Start 60, square left. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go 60, turn square left. 30, 4 right, 50, slight left, tightens 5, long. 40, 3 right, keep in, and 6 left, long, tightens. 80, slight left of a jump, 30, caution, bump, and left of a crest, into 1 right, half long, around bales. 80, crest, into 6 left, brake, and left of a crest, and 3 right, 50, slight left, tightens 4, half long. And crest, and slight left, 120. Big jump, 110. 4 left of the crest, opens, 40. 6 right, half long. Opens, into small crest, 130. 5 right short, 40. 2 left, 40. 3 right, 30. 1 right short of a crest, 40. 3 left short, keep in, 30, 4 right, and 4 left short, 80, 6 left, half long, slowing, 80, 1 right, half long, and 2 left, keep in, and 3 right. Open 6 of crest, 30, 5 left, 30, 6 right, tightens 5, and 3 left, and 6 right, 40, 5 left sharp, 80, long crest, 50, left of a jump, and 4 right, and 6 left, is more jump, 100, slight left, 170, slight right, into bump, keep right, and 6 left, slowing, and crest, to 3 left, 70, crest, into 5 right, 50, 4 left, keep in, 100, 3 right sharp, and 6 left, 40, crest, and 5 right, into left of a crest, 30, 1 left short of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, tightens of a crest, and 5 left, of up, into 5 right, half long tightens, of a bridge, into 4 left of a crest, 70, 6 left, 6 right of a crest, and 5 right of a crest, and 5 left short, 30, 4 right, and left of a crest, 40, 6 right, and 6 left, into 4 right of a crest, opens long, into bump, into crest, into 5 right short, slowing, 30, turn square left. 70, 6 left, 50, 4 right short of a crest, 50, and crest. 4 right sharp, 70, 4 left, 80, 4 right, half long tightens, 4 left short, 120, small crest, 30, right of a crest, 40, 3 right short, 40, 6 left, tightens 4, long, 120, 3 right, opens, 130, 6 left of the crest, long, into small jump, 40, jump, 30, slight left of the crest, and slight right, 80, 5 left, 100, finish into 5 left to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute, 17.6.